I'm Clara, 24 years of age, and I am currently residing at San Benito, Tampico, Zamboanga, Norte. Together with Hernan Licoyo and Engineer Vidura, we are the inventors of the modified cacao grinding machine.
Cacao is one of the important cash crop grown in the world. A large-scale processing of this commodity requires innovative approach, particularly in grinding of roasted cacao beans. The existing design available in the market do not have attached winnower that separates the husk from the bean, and is not locally available in country and comes with affordability issue due to its high price. The machine has a combination design of cacao bean winnower and cacao bean grinder. The cacao beans are loaded in the feed hopper, straight down to the bean breaker chamber, and passed through the winnowing chamber to separate the husks and cacao nibs. The cacao nibs are then collected and directly loaded to the grinding chamber to make a cacao paste. The cacao grinder capacity of the machine is 5.19 kg per hour, compared to 3.12 kg per hour for conventional processing. Meanwhile, the grinding recovery is 76.80% as compared to the conventional of 67.09%. Unique value proposition. Region 9 will soon be the next cacao capital of the Philippines next to Davao. With the mass implementation of planting cacao in the region, expected demand of cacao processing technologies will emerge. The machine offers an affordable price which is comparable to the outputs of the commercially available technologies with the same process. The machine is locally produced, thus, spare parts are locally available. The development of the machine is done through the following sequence. First, design conceptualization and specification. Second, fabrication of the machine. Third, evaluation and testing. Fourth, tabulation of results. Fifth, analysis of results. And last, report writing. For cost and return analysis, data shows that there is 113.8% return of investment with 0.28 years of payback period. Commercial viability. Based on the preliminary search report and conducted using the intellectual property of databases in the Philippines, no published design as of this writing were found. Thus, merits its potential to be commercialized. With the booming cacao production in the Philippines, demand of the technology will also peak.
Thank you for watching. Please support us by reacting and sharing this video. God bless and keep safe, everyone!